Hi, today I'm gonna be doing a cute, cute, very cute makeup tutorial. So hope you guys love it. Okay, so first you could use any eyeshadow palette. I'm using first a blush brush, and you get a sparkly pink blush, any sparkly pink. Sorry, I have to blow on it. So get some. Sorry. And apply all over your cheek. And do the same thing with the other cheek. Sorry, my hair is in the way. And put some underneath your eye. But not that close. So continue. Make sure you have sparkle all over your face. But not that much. And I put some in my forehead to dazzle you. So if you guys could see my pink blushy. If you guys can't, I'm sorry. Now you get a blue eye color from dark any palette, and you get your eyeshadow brush, of course, and you get some, of course, to get some dark blue, and apply it on your eyelid. Let me get closer. If you guys could totally notice, so keep getting more if you want, or you think, not enough. Okay, so now to the other eye, and if you want more, just get more. I don't. You can just add more blue if you want. So it looks so blue. And you get a shiny light, a disco. I like disco blue eye color. Sorry, if I turned around. So do the same thing with the other eye. And my eyes now almost blue. Okay. Blend it in. Welcome to it. You get a pink, a black eye color, and white. And you guys know my trick. You make it as an eyeliner. So keep applying more. So you guys know I have other. Pretty, right? I thought so. Oh, you look cute. Now eyeliner. This time, we have girls make it dark. Not that dark, you know. And you also like to wear a blue outfit to go with your makeup because blue is. I found out that blue is the most cutest makeup. It's the most cutest color. And so is green when you mix it together. But I'm just doing blue today. So sorry for the look. If I'm not looking at the camera, I have to do it on my own to see how it looks. Sorry, I just did a mistake. Like always, I'm not good with eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna use the thing I use, Neutrogena, and take it off. Okay, guess you gotta add the blue again. So if you do a mistake with the eyeliner, get the blue again, the same blue you used, dark blue, and put it on. I have to be looking on my mirror because I don't want to do any mistake. Now get the white, and I just do it so. Keep doing it so to give it a dazzle cute. Don't I look cute today? At least I do. Eyeliner. Ha, my enemy. Hey, can we be best friends? Why? So we gotta look at my other mirror to get a good view. And if you want, the curve is optional. If you want. If you're not good with curves, then you don't have to do it. So do the other eye like so. Look, there's blood. Ah! Psych. It's not blood. Okay, so when you're done, the curve is optional, but curves don't look cute. Well, sometimes, you know, when you have a cute face. Psych, all of us have cute faces. Now, I'm in mascara. I'm not using the Maybelline, you know, the one that gets away. I'm using just a drugstore mascara. This is waterproof, so like so. Sorry. So add some. Oh, no mistake. Perfect. Oh, I did a mistake. No. Well, girls, if you do a mistake, just fix it. Of course, I always use my remove thing from Jinbi. Okay. So, like so, do that. Now you keep on adding mascara. Don't stop putting on mascara. Yeah. Never stop. a mistake again. I'm sorry. Okay. So, fixing my mistakes with my oil-free makeup remover by Neutrogena. It really works, like for reals. Alright, we're going off topic. Now, get our makeup and and some purple lipstick. So get some. Mine comes in a lot of different colors, so you would like to use a purple, light purple, not dark purple, just like Lady Gaga uses. It's like I love Lady Gaga. My funny is that I have a voice like her, but this is not my voice. Okay, so like that, put them off a lot. Right, now get a different color, get a darker tail and look more fancy and cute. I dab it. I don't rub it. More better to dab it so when you rub it together, there'll be no mistakes. So, don't I look cute? Yes, I do. Alright, that's all. Subscribe and like and comment of what color do you think is cute. So I could even, me or my friend could do a makeup tutorial about it. So, bye. Love you.